Hey Fashionistas, how are you today? I hope you are all fine. Doing really well. Welcome back, where we explore bold and expressive fashion ideas that allow you to stand out while still maintaining balance, comfort, and thoughtful styling in dynamic environments. Today's inspiration focuses on a striking street style look featuring glossy leather thigh high boots
Hello,
paired
fashion
with a
lovers. How are
skirt
you today? I hope
skirt designed for a winter fashion week setting where creativity and individuality take center stage. This outfit is about making a confident visual statement while still ensuring that each element works together in a cohesive and wearable way. Glossy leather thigh-high boots instantly draws attention due to their sleek finish and elongated shape, especially when styled in classic tones such as black, deep brown, or charcoal. Their height adds structure and warmth, making them ideal for winter setting, where both style and practicality are equally important. Choosing the right skirt is essential in maintaining harmony, as it should complement the boldness of boot while competing for attention. Airline skirts, structured mini skirts, or slightly flared design can work well, depending on the desired level of movement and comfort. Neutral tone or subtle texture helps keep the focus on the boot while still contributing to the overall style. Layering becomes especially important in winter street style setting where temperature changes and outdoor conditions require thoughtful outfit planning. A fitted sweater, a turtleneck, or a structured coat can be added to create warmth while maintaining a sleek silhouette. Footwear comfort remain important even with statement pieces like thigh-high boots. So choosing design with proper support and flexibility ensure ease of movement throughout the day. Accessories in this look can look reflect the bold and creative nature of Fashion Week, but they should still remain controlled to avoid overwhelming the outfit. Hair and makeup styling can lean slightly more expressive in this setting as Fashion Week allow for creativity while still maintaining a sense of balance. As we complete this look, it becomes clear that bold fashion choices can still feel balanced and wearable when each element is styled thoughtfully and with intention. This glossy leather thigh-high boots with skirt combination demonstrate how strong statement pieces can be integrated into real-life outfit for impactful results. If you enjoy exploring expressive yet practical fashion ideas, subscribe to my channel for more educational styling inspiration.